What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of tan of square root of x squared plus 1. So from before we know the derivative of tan x is secant squared x, or we can say 1 plus tan squared x. That's when we are dealing with x. Now if we are having tan of u, which u is the function of x, derivative will be u prime times secant squared u, or u prime times 1 plus tan squared u. And let's see if we have tan u to the power of n. Then the derivative of this part is going to be n times tan u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime times 1 plus tan squared u. So these are the different cases you have with tan. So let's go back to the question. F of x equals to tan of square root of x squared plus 1, which will be tan of x squared plus 1 to the power of 1/2. Derivative will be 1.2, 1 over 2, tan x squared plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. Just gonna write that tan now. It's gonna be 1 over 2 x squared plus 1 to the power of negative 1 over 2 times 1 plus tan squared of x squared plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. So that's going to be the final answer. Let's basically simplify it. It's going to be x squared plus 1 of 1/2, 1 plus tan squared of square root of x squared plus 1. Or you can say 1 over 2 root x squared plus 1 times 1 plus tan squared of square root of x squared plus 1. And if you remember the derivative of tan x, you can write it in terms of secant squared as well. So in that case, it's going to be 1 over 2 root x squared plus 1 times secant squared square root of x squared plus 1. So these two are two different forms of the final answer to f of x equals to tan of square root of x squared plus 1. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.